Like and share this video, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon for any query, comment below.
Hello and welcome to this video. What you should know before you take the course: you should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer. You should also have a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take this course? The course is a beginner's course, so anyone who's new to SQL is welcome to this course. Also, anyone who is new to databases in general is also welcome to this course. What you will learn on the course: we will start off by setting up a database environment. So we will install PostgreSQL, which is a relational database management system. We will then connect to the default database for PostgreSQL. Once we've done that, we will learn how to load a sample database. We will move on to creating database and table. We will then learn how to apply constraint to ensure integrity of the data. We will learn how to retrieve data from database table. We'll also learn how to update data. We'll learn how to delete data. We'll also learn how to filter data that is returned from a database table. We'll learn how to sort the data that is returned from the table. We'll learn how to retrieve data using different operator types. We'll also learn how to combine data from multiple tables. We'll learn how to use aggregate functions to manipulate data. The course duration is approximately 6 hours, and the format of the course is video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hello and welcome. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language used to communicate and manipulate databases. SQL is also popularly referred to as SQL. SQL is an American National Standards Institute standard. That means it is a standard language regulated by the American National Standard Institute. There are different versions or flavors of the SQL language. For example, Oracle has got its own proprietary extension to the language. Also, Microsoft SQL Server has got its own proprietary extension to the language. However, to be compliant with the American National Standard Institute, all flavors of the SQL language must support certain key elements the same way. For example, they must support things like select, update, delete, insert, and where. These are all keywords in the SQL language. So regardless of the flavor or versions of the SQL language you're using, they must all support select, update, delete, insert, and where. These are all important keywords and clauses used in the SQL language. Let's look at some of the things that we can achieve using the SQL language. We can execute queries against a database. We can retrieve data from a database. We can insert records into a database. We can update existing records inside the database. We can delete records from a database. We can also create new tables in a database, as well as create views in a database.